Okay, whenever you were ready.
Take two.
What up, guys? Yo, what up, guys? My name is Brian Kwan, aka Kwamatics. Thank you guys for being here in my humble, creative dad cave. I need to spruce up this place and be more creative because basically it is a garage. And so I'm going to be hanging up some photos, not some photos, but hanging up some pictures of Art Nouveau, some creative inspiration, just to get the creative juices flowing here in my dad creative cave. I'm going to show you that right now. Alright, so we got some Art Nouveau pictures right here. This one, these are big, like I think 24 by 36. My good buddy Rhymes left these, well, basically here because he had to move. So it was very sad, but these pictures still offer great inspiration. Art Nouveau is awesome because it was a time of rebellious art. So flat lines, line art was a big departure from like pointillism and the realistic Renaissance art. And it's an inspiration to the modern comic art of today and like the psychedelic art of the 70s. Art Nouveau is awesome. So let's go. Alright, so hey, who are you?
I'm Lucas Clark.
Okay. And it sounded like you wanted to help Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You want to tell everyone what we're doing with this over here?
I'm going to screw in the pictures into the wall.
Okay, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's easy peasy, we're not gonna, with no plan, just going to do it. And action.
These screws were from dollar store. They're in the bag. And then we're going to put them inside here and screw.
It doesn't have to be expensive. Just use some screws, right?
Yeah.
Just gonna go here, and over there, okay? No measuring, we don't need to do that. We just want to see the art. It doesn't have to be all lined up. We're not gonna pressure ourselves with being perfect, right?
Yeah.
No. We're just using an impact driver, like whatever, Phillips head, and some really basic screws. I'm not even sure if they're wood screws, but they go in these wood walls. Look, not even looking. Is it going in, Lucas? No. No? What now? Ah!
I can't see.
Okay.
It's going inside.
Oop. That's good. I'm putting right here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Put the screw in it.
And then screw. And then the last small one is gonna go up here. Let's go get the pictures and see how they look.
So first, first picture, which is
So where does this one go?
right.
And there we go. That's looking good.
Right.
Nice. Alright! Great job. High fives. Yeah, okay. One over here. Or over here.
Over there. So in the way.
Hey, that's not bad. Are they like same spot? Alright, yay! That looks a lot better. Doesn't this place look a lot better?
Yeah, but we still have one more picture. Bye. Subscribe. Ring the bell to Brian Qua.
See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.